Yeaban bath rug. It's made of chenille. It's a plush beige rug, the one I have. And the size is 24 by 17 inches. It's an average size for our bathroom. And we have a bathroom that's more in a tan color, and this should do just fine. Open it up, show you what it looks like inside the box. You have a floor tile, and it's going to be slippery. And what this is going to do, it's not going to slide on the floor because the bottom, it's got this rubber grip. And it's got all the designs of little triangles, and that will grip everything. This is beige. And you can see the design is machine washable. And look how smooth that is. How it goes in one color and the other way the other color. So when you get out of the shower or the bathtub and you want something that you can keep your feet, from slipping off on the floor, keeping everything dry and let the mat absorb the water, this is for you. So let's go hook this bad boy up in the bathroom, show you what it looks like. We've been looking for a mat that was about the right size. And there you go. That fits just fine. I don't want to wear my shoes on a nice mat. It's comfortable. It won't slide, as you can see. And I'm stepping nice and hard. And if I need to dry my feet and so forth, I can do so. When the mat gets dirty, put it in the washing machine. When it's finished in the dryer, let the mat dry out a little more. Over time, mats will wear out, and you want to replace your mat with one of these. Check online for further detail of the different sizes that this company offers you and the different colors for your rooms. It can be for a kitchen, a bathroom, a hallway, not just for a bathroom. I hope you enjoy your mat if you put it around your inside pool, your bathroom, and so forth. I hope you enjoy your product if this is right for you.